Good morning, students. I am Arman present here for your online classes of class 5, chapter 8, measurement. Today, we are going to learn about multiplication and division of metric measures. So, first, multiplication of metric measures. Then, this multiplication is simply as a normal multiplication as a natural number to natural number. Let's see here. If we have a question, multiply 36 meter 21 centimeter by 15. So generally we know that 36 meter 21 centimeter is equal to 36.21 21 meter. So now write in the column form 36.21 is multiplied by 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0, carry 1, 5 6 are 30 and 1, 31, and this one here, again 3, 5 3 are 15 and 3 is equal to 18. Now 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 6 6, 3 1, 3. Now add them. And 5 1 3 8 6 14, 3 1 4 and 1, 15 and 1, 3 1 4 and 1 is equal to 5. So we have to put here your decimal is after 2 digit from right side, so put the decimal here. So this is the multiplication. Let's check another examples here. Multiply 52 liter 126 milliliter by 43. We know that 52 liter and 126 milliliter is equal to 52.126 liter. So 52.126 is multiplied by 43. 6 3s are 18, 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 4 6 are 24, then 2, 4 2s are 8 and 2, 10, then 1, 4 1s are 4 and 1, 5, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Add now 8, 7, 4, 11, and 3 and 1, 4, 6, 5, 11, 5 and 1, 6, and 8, 14, 1 in hand, 1, 1, 2, and 2. Here decimal after 3 digit from right side, so put the decimal here and put liter here. So 2241.418 liter. Similarly, you can multiply the metric measures. Next, we are going to learn division of metric system, and we have a question here. 67 kg 325 gram divide by 25. Then division is also similarly your normal division. So you have to follow normal division method. So first of all, we have to change this one in a kg. Then we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 67.325 kg. Now divide here 67.325 by 25. Then 25 to the 50, 17 here. Next put 3 here, then put the decimal here. 25 6 150. 23 is here. Next one is 2. 25 9s are 225. And 7 is here. Next 5 and last 3. 3 times 25, 3 is 75. So our result is 2.693 kilogram are equal to 2693 gram. Similarly, you can divide your metric measurements by following these steps. Next question is a word problem related to metric measurement. The question is, Hariti bought 5 cans of juice of 200 ml and 4 cans of 1 liter. How many liters of juice did she buy? Then first is here given 5 cans of juice of 200 ml. So 5 cans of juice of 200 ml is equal to 5 into 200 ml is equal to 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, and 4 cans of 1 liter. 4 cans of juice of 1 liter is equal to 4 into 1 liter equal to 4 liter. Then we have to find out how many liters of juice did she buy. Total juice quantity is equal to 1 liter plus 4 liter is equal to 5 liter.